Rent or own? That is the million dollar question. Here's the thing, maybe you're just starting to look for a place of your own, can't decide if you should rent or buy. Or maybe you've been renting for a while and want to explore the possibility of buying a home, but you aren't sure if you're ready. Well, only you can ultimately decide the best option for you. It's important to think about the pros and the cons of each and how those may align with your priorities. This video is going to go through some of those questions. Should I rent or should I buy? Benefits of renting. Renting is a great option if you don't want to commit to one location because it provides more flexibility if and when you decide to relocate. Another benefit of renting is that the maintenance and repair costs for broken items, dishwashers, things of that nature, running toilets, are usually the rental management's responsibility. Plus, renting gives you a chance to try different types of living spaces and explore different neighborhoods to see what works best for you. While renting is often thought of as more affordable than buying, this is not always the case. It may be a good option if you need some time to save for a down payment or other costs associated with buying a home. However, in some cases, your monthly mortgage payment can end up being less than monthly rent. Benefits of owning. Buying might be a better option for you if you plan to stay in one location for several years. Homeownership gives you the opportunity to take pride and care in your property and make changes and upgrades and do things around the house, so to speak. It also allows you to build equity over the long term. It's a proven fact that homeowners have more personal wealth than renters. That is just a proven fact. Generally speaking, equity is the difference between your home value and the amount you owe on the mortgage. And often you also get appreciation on the home asset itself. So, real life example, does real estate double every 20 years? My accountant many years ago said, Kevin, if you own real estate and you buy a house, that the value of that house will double within 20 years. So we're more than 20 years past that conversation. So I wanted to fact check that and just kind of look at that from Jim's point of view. So average appreciation over the last 40 years, 2 to 6%. If you know the rule, 72. If you are right dead in the middle, at 4%, 4 goes into 72, 18 years. So in theory, if you were getting a steady 4%, that it would double within that 20-year time frame. So I bought my first house in 1990. I paid 157,000 for it on a VA loan, best loan out there, no money down, no MI. I turned that into a rental in 1998 when I purchased my second home, which I paid 400,000 for. So in general, I later sold the first home in 2011 for $310,000. Not quite a double within that 21 years, but it did double shortly thereafter. Current value of that exact home right now is 630,000, roughly, based on Zillow. My second home that I bought, paid 400 for. Current value is at 1.13. That more than doubled. I'm at about 140% appreciation on that. So this is a real life example of what my accountant said, that real estate does double every 20 years. It just you have to own it for the right period of time. Sometimes it's a slow appreciation, and then you get a lot, and then it slows back down, and it just goes up and down accordingly. But on average, his statement that it does double within every 20 years has held true accordingly. So this is proof that owning a home builds wealth through appreciation and also the pay down of your principal. So thus also aligns with people that actually own homes, build more future family wealth than people that rent. My name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage. If you have any questions, give me a call, 703 799 5626. Jim, you are right. Real estate doubles every 20 years. Talk to you soon.